Guys, I want to show you something interesting today. Take a look at this. Here is a chain link fence, and it has a fence caps on top. Right? Chain link fence cap on top. Nice steel fence cap. Now let's go to the other side of the street and let's have a visual on this lovely silver Honda Civic here. Right? Nice pile of glass sitting next to it. Nothing sketchy happened here. They have this with a trim ring. And they do have a piece of plastic screwed on with a drywall screw as a side skirt, but we won't worry about that right now. I brought you here to show you the wheels. Take a look. Here's a front wheel. What have they put on it? An AMP aftermarket rally cap. Now that's all well and good. Let's take a look at this right hand side. And do you notice anything odd about this wheel? Is anything that might bring up the memory of the beginning of the video where I was showing you those fence caps over here? Well, here it is. They've used a fence cap as a center cap. I don't know where they got this idea, but it's one of the ugliest caps I've ever seen on a wheel. I've worked with caps for a long time. Right, now let's take a look. They didn't even bother to put it in all the way. It's absolutely crazy. I've never seen a fence cap used as a center cap. If I bought this car, I would be ashamed. How can you drive with one wheel looking like this and a fence cap on the other wheel? Anyway, I digress. Back to my bike ride.